There's no such thing as work-life balance. None!
Just fucking do it. Subscribe now. For deals that are $2 million-ish and less, your board is more than qualified to do the due diligence. Your in-house accountant, your in-house lawyer, your industry experts are more than qualified for a little deal like that. For big deals, you want the big 4 accounting firms or the big 10 accounting firms, etc., to do the due diligence. But and she was talking about following invoices from the inception to the money being deposited in the bank. That's, the money trail to make sure, because smart guys now know how to show, it looks electronically like you've got money in the bank, but you don't. Those are real swindlers, okay? Unfortunately, I've trained a few, so they've taken the knowledge and done bad stuff with it. But so you don't need your outside lawyers and accountants. So her first few deals are going to be she said bank finance for one. The second one was 100% owner finance. 3, 4, and 5 were a combination of owner finance and bank finance. So she's going to be able to pull out money and pay. I was teasing her. You got to pay for the move from fucking Dallas to Houston, which isn't such a big distance. But she'll be able to pull out money.